There is no power to change greater than a community discovery what it cares about. As they say, the amazing power of deliberate intent. Mrs. Ritu Grover, a community builder, leader, socialite, and an entrepreneur. She's been the past president for Rotary Indore. She has been honored with Kamal Shakti Award on Women's Day 2018. Hello and welcome to Rabbi Rashi Foundation. Today we are talking about the power of community, and that too from someone who's a community leader. रितु जी आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है.
Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me.
To start with, Ritu ji, please share some insights about community welfare, community building, community joining, and also your amazing journey and experience for so many years being a community leader. Over to you.
Rashi, I think this doesn't have a date when I started, you know. I feel this feeling towards community, or the thinking towards community, it comes itself, it is inborn, or maybe it's in your upbringing, what I've seen my parents doing, my mother being very soft for any seeing pain in anybody's problems or any kind, or any servant, or anybody she comes across with. So seeing that in life, and having the staff in the house who were taken care of very well for every small things, whatever we ate, they ate, whatever we got new gifts, they also got, that kind of atmosphere made us feel that this community, or this little lesser privilege, you may say, strata, is part of us. It is nothing different. I sincerely think that if somebody's problem or somebody's pain gives that ache in your heart, you are a community person. Later, if the kind of feelings or the kind of thinking or mental setup or upbringing you have, you choose to have friends of same flock, So I had those kind of friends, and we were in Calcutta. My childhood was there, and we moved to Indore when I was doing my final years of schooling. So Indore being a very small place, and if you do something, it's very, it catches up the eyes. So I joined JC's. I just saw a program, and they were really doing very good community service. I joined JC's. Within 6 months, I was made president, chairperson of JC's Youth Club. And we did projects almost every week, 2-3 projects every week, giving help to old age home, going and singing for them, something different. जो सबने किया वो तो हमें कभी करना ही नहीं था. सब खाना देने जाते, no, खाना नहीं देना, we'll entertain them. So this has been, there since my teenage days or childhood, you may say. So that developed as I got platforms, social platforms in life. So that developed, and that I disseminated to other people also, and we've got a very, very good group. Back we started a satsang group. How the magic comes, कि ladies दिन को क्या करें? So everybody cannot get into business, So we started a small satsang group, and we used to do satsang in अपने आपस के घरों में दोपहर को 3 से 5, वीक में 2 दिन 3 दिन. Then it started, आपकी डॉटर का बर्थडे आपने बोला हमारे घर आइए, आपके एनिवर्सरी आपने बोला आपके घर का ग्रह. It grew so big. We were 557 members right now, and not everybody comes every time in the satsang. We have a board, proper board, because I belong to a community like a business community also. I'm an MBA in marketing and advertising, and I really like to do things in a very systematic and formal way. So we formed a proper samiti, and we got the society registered, and we have a proper board and MOU and everything properly made. So we started there. Then the money started coming in, because when you put the Mataji ka darbar and satsang, people come and offer money. So you cannot tell them no also, because they wouldn't like it. So what do we do with this money? We thought, okay, let's do some social work. So this is Dharm ke Raste Samaj Seva, we call it. And we right now have 50 lakhs of rupees in our bank to start a senior citizen care home. That is our big dream. So I feel we act just like a bridge. We take from where it is surplus, and we are a bridge, and we give to where it is required. So once this man approached us about a few years back, say maybe 10 years back, and he says, I want help for the wedding. So we just announced in the satsang. सत्संग में 150-200 लेडीज थी. We announced and most of them said मैं साड़ी दूंगी. Next सत्संग 2 दिन बाद all the sarees came in. Now these kind of sarees you would well imagine they'll be printed sarees or a border saree or something. We gave them.
5 o'clock.
So when we went to see that wedding, he invited us. All those girls were wearing those sarees only. I felt little bad. I said, देखो शादी का दिन तो चाहे वो लेडी डायना हो, चाहे वो मुकेश अंबानी की डॉटर हो, चाहे वो मेरे सामने बैठी ये बच्ची है, शादी का दिन इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट है. दुल्हन का वो दिन फिर मुड़ के नहीं आता. तो आई सेड नहीं, इनको तो लहंगे देने चाहिए. बस मन में आया. कैन यू बिलीव, मन में आया. एंड फॉलोइंग ईयर I spoke to my people and they said, okay, we'll see, हम मिलके करेंगे कुछ. I sent one person to the wholesale market. He said 4,000 का है. I said, you go to the further interior market. He went there. He said 2,000 का एक पेयर है. So he said, I want 60. I said 60 पेयर किस लिए? घर में शादी होती है तो 3 या 4 5 चाहिए होते हैं, 60 क्यों? बोले हमारी एक दीदी है, उनको ऐसे जुनून होते हैं. तो ऐसे वो सामूहिक शादी है और उसमें she wants to give लहंगा. The shopkeeper says, फिर आप ऐसा सोचो कि मेरी भी contribution है, मैं आपको 1100 में दे दूंगा. This is the key factor of my all the journey, all the work, all the success and satisfaction. I don't call it success. This is a satisfaction work what we are doing, right? So like we went to jail for satsang. The jailer said कि एक बार आप भजन यहाँ आके गाइए, इन कैदियों को भी सुनाइए. They also sang, some of them sang very well. So we went to take a round क्योंकि कभी देखा नहीं था. तो वहाँ इतनी गर्म छोटे छोटे से रूम्स, ऐसे पंखे तो होने चाहिए. बोले कौन लगा के देगा मैडम इनको. There were 51 small those rooms. So I came back when taking a round and I announced we require 51 rooms. I called somebody and asked एक पंखा कितने का है. So he said 475 रुपए का है. So I announced, and before we left that place, I had all the commitments of 51 fans. And we actually went and put them. See, everything what we do, I cannot do it from my own pocket. It is just not possible. I feel if more people join in, it spreads satisfaction. It spreads sense of responsibility. So this is how we work.
Yeah, and that is the true power of community, coming together and helping and doing the best kind of service you can do for the community. तो ऋतु जी ये बताइए कि जैसे ये पैंडेमिक आया and none of us had experienced the lockdown. What do you think community leaders had done best to help their communities? Because since you are attached with a lot of them, so probably you would know कि आपने कैसे engage रखा लोगों को, इसके बारे में.
मैं आपको बताऊं, हम लोग ने as my Bhagwati Mandal group and my Rotary group, what we did, we have adopted 2-3 colonies here, right? There is one colony wherein 400 families are there. From past 4 years, we have adopted that colony, and there are about 168 or 69 number of children who are in school age, and they go to school. And these children were not being paid fees, so school se nikal dete the and all. So there is one lady who's a simple lady of that colony, but she came and approached me. She said she got to know from somewhere. She approached my friend and me that आप लोग कुछ करते रहते हो ये सब के लिए, तो हमारे यहाँ बच्चे निकाल देते हैं क्योंकि फीस नहीं देते हैं. So we went and surveyed and actually saw the men playing cards there and the women going for बर्तन मांजना and all. So ये इस कम्युनिटी में बहुत ज्यादा होता है कि आदमी काम करता नहीं, शराब पीता है और बीवियां बेचारी जितना करके लाती हैं घर चलाती है. एनीवेज बच्चे को सफर नहीं करना चाहिए. So we adopted them on a condition कि 2 टर्म की फीस हम देंगे और 2 की आप दोगे. And it's been running since then. So ये जो कॉलोनीज हैं, they came and approached कि हमारा सब काम बंद हो गया, लोगों ने घर में मतलब काम करने के लिए बुलाना बंद कर दिया, तो हमारी सैलरी, हमारा पैसा सब बंद हो गया, हमारे पास खाने को नहीं है. So we in our group, we have a WhatsApp group, we immediately communicate and decide then and there. So we discussed and we said कि इनको कम से कम खाना तो देना ही चाहिए, बाकी चीजें तो बाकी बात है. Although हमने ब्रश पेस्ट तक दिया, सब कुछ साबुन भी दिया. So we made a bag, a goodie bag of say around 1260 rupees, which carried 1 month का राशन for family of 4 or 5, right? So हमने वो 400 bags बनवाए. Now पेंडेमिक लॉकडाउन का शुरू में ये हालत थी कि हम भी घर से नहीं निकल, कोई भी नहीं निकला, हम अभी भी नहीं निकले. बट what we did was we contacted the local administration. वहां के पुलिस स्टेशन कॉर्नर पे है उसी कॉलोनी के, उनको बोला, वहां से एक पुलिसमैन विद ऑल द सिक्योरिटी थिंग्स एंड ऑल वेंट टू दैट कॉलोनी. दैट होलसेलर sent the bags, 400 bags there, 50 in each round. This man, this constable with this lady of mine who's the leader sort of there, Maya with that constable went to each house giving that bags. So ये पहले बटा करीब 5-6 लाख का.
Too many public, I would say, or too many people involved in a community, and the leader has to have certain qualities. I would want you to guide on that, because that is, all of a sudden, a lot of communities have come up, you know, with this pandemic. I think you should, so you should tell us more about certain leadership qualities a community leader should have.
See, I'll tell you what, like I told you before only, I cannot do all this alone, but I'm very fortunate that I have faith. I have gained that faith from my groups. You know, in my Bhagwati group also, whenever I put something like this, sending the grains packets and as you know, giving to other 2 colonies which we have not adopted, but they had come to my house asking for help, and I then put in this that 65 houses are there and we have to give for these 65 families. Then there was 50 families in another colony, they came. So whenever I put something, or whenever I decide upon, or whenever I want to do something, I first check whether it is genuine or not. Because these colony people, when they came, I sent my drivers, I sent one office boy to go and check the situation of whether they are really needy or not, whether somebody is coming and posing. So I personally check, and even if I don't go, we have people, you know, around in the group only, and everybody is always willing to help. Suppose it belongs to a certain area where I cannot reach, or maybe it's far off, I can tell somebody, some member staying there, please go and check. Similarly, we do when we give the medical help. We go to the hospital, deposit the money there, or we buy the medicine and give them. You know, it's not giving cash in their hand. So there is one chairperson who does this medical help thing. There is one chairperson who does the educational help thing. So we have delegated the authorities also. But one thing which we have gained this confidence of the city, that whatever we decide to do, it has to be genuine. It will reach the receiver's hand directly. No midway, you know, like we are giving to somebody, somebody is distributing. No, we keep a close watch. Like this Maya used to go and distribute. We used to see that in video calls. वीडियो कॉल पे दिखाओ कौन कौन से घर में दे रही हो, मुझे खुद देखना है. सो वो क्लोज वॉच रखते हैं, देन पीपल हैव दैट फेथ. आई टेल यू, पीपल सेंड अस पैकेट्स एवरी मंथ. जैसे किसी की टायर शॉप है, उनका स्क्रैप सेल होता है, तो स्क्रैप सेल वो यूज नहीं करना चाहते, तो एवरी मंथ भेजते हैं. उस एनवेलप पे लिखा होता है, प्लीज यूज दिस फॉर एजुकेशन, and we use it for education. Please use this for girls' marriages. We use it for that. So that honesty and transparency we keep. So whenever you are a leader in a community, first thing is you have to gain confidence. You have to gain the trust. Not the confidence is there that you can do, that's why you're a leader, but the trust that you will not decide wrong. You will not, you know, favor anybody out of the way, and you will treat everybody equal.
Especially when cash is involved, I think so. Honesty
Yes.
is something where you have to be
big amounts.
Yeah, yeah, very true. So Rituji, please tell us that how community has helped business houses, women entrepreneurs, SMEs, MSMEs, especially when you're leading different kind of communities and dealing with them.
We gave help to a lot of women for startups here, and I was twice judge at IIM also, where they give the help for startup women. You know, pandemic has helped women in many ways. One way is they have started their small businesses. Men का business जरूर effect हुआ है, जैसे retail effect हुआ है, या wholesale effect हुआ है, या hotel business effect हुए हैं, या what you call entertainment business effect हुआ है. I agree. But उसके साथ साथ you won't believe, hundreds and thousands of women have started their business and they are growing. See, YouTube channel you open, the cookery things, right? Fashion. Then home cooking, that has become so popular around that every woman is sending the recipes, today's menu. So you have right from breakfast to lunch to dinner. And this COVID time, when you get COVID people in the house, or the whole family is under that pressure or under that disease, you get food from these women, pick and take kinds, bakery hai, breakfast items hai, dry item, matri and all what is used, theple and all the Gujarati items hai. So women ke liye, it is proven that yes, they have started thinking that yes, we can do something. बहुत फर्क पड़ा है सोच में, बहुत फर्क पड़ा है. दूसरी चीज आई फील कम्युनिटी के साथ पर्सनल में भी बहुत फर्क पड़ा है. बिकॉज पास्ट 6 months हमने कोई ड्रेस नहीं बनवाई, कोई ड्रेस नहीं खरीदी, कोई नई ज्वेलरी नहीं बनवाई, जो कभी भी नहीं हुआ था. 30 years of my marriage, I don't remember any month or any time. My boutique is, I mean, they are still there from past 6 months. I haven't gone to collect. Their clothes are there to be stitched or shopping or everything. But people have realized that we can live in less.
So, Rituji, you are also a socialite, apart from a community leader, and how are the kitty parties, the lunches, the card parties, and all those women-oriented parties are faring up because they couldn't go out? So, what is the
Yes, we are missing them. We are missing our friends. We are missing the parties. We do meet on Zoom, and our kitty parties are still running. We meet on Zoom, we take out the kitty and we send the amount through Google Pay or through the driver or whatever. The kitties have not stopped. Only thing is we are not meeting. So technology also has come into people of all age groups. We, in the satsang group what I spoke, we have satsang. April we were quiet कि अभी ठीक हो जाएगा, we never knew इतना लंबा चलेगा. Then I thought no, we should be connected. Connected होना बहुत जरूरी है, base कोई भी हो. I really thank this platforms, Google and Zoom and all that that made us being together. So we started satsang on Zoom. So we have it on Tuesday and Saturday, same time, 3:30 to 5:30, 6 o'clock we have. And can you believe we have ladies from Bombay, Pune, Delhi, Chandigarh, and one more place, Rourkela she comes, Delhi, yes, one old. And ladies from the age of 20 to 80. अभी 80 साल की आंटी को, माता जी को जब जूम चला के एंटर करके और उसको सुनना और फिर उनको बोलो आप भजन बोलो तो अनम्यूट करके भजन बोलना आ गया. We have gained.
Great. Right. So they say find your tribe. They are more important than your followers count. A true community is not just about being geographically close to someone, but about the feeling of being connected. आपका बहुत बहुत thanks है रितु जी. And I think I learned personally also, I learned a lot from you today. That was
so
great.
Nice of you. So sweet of you. Thank you so much.